Welcome to the Vantage Markets Trading Championship 2024. This prestigious event is your opportunity to showcase your trading skills and compete for a grand prize of $100,000. For more information and to register, visit the link in the description. Here is everything you need to know to get started. The registration period is from June 17, 2024 until August 25, 2024. The contest period runs from July 1, 2024 to August 31, 2024. The prizes are impressive. The gold group champion will receive $100,000. The silver group champion will receive $50,000. There are also additional prizes for the top 100 participants in each group. Here is how to participate. For new users, first, become a Vantage client by opening a live account with the link in the description. Next, register your interest by logging into the client portal, heading to the promotions tab, and opting into the competition. Then, fund and trade. For existing users, first, register your interest by logging into the client portal, heading to the promotions tab, and opting into the competition. Next, fund your account by depositing a minimum of $500. Depositing over $5,000 grants access to the gold tier. Finally, start trading and aim for the top. For more information and to register, visit the link in the description. Do not wait. Enter the Trading Championship today and seize your chance to win $100,000. Thank you for watching. Good luck and see you next time.